Now let's look at the other approach of iteration. We use list comprehensions. This will be the last point in this tutorial. So list comprehensions are a shorter syntax for iterating over a list as well as creating new ones. You can use it to iterate over a list. You can also use it to create new lists based on certain conditions. You can use it to make a copy of a list. And the syntax includes a loop statement. Now let's look at how we can do this. Now let's take a look at our basis again. Let's say A, T, J, C. Let's do it this way. So to use a list comprehension, we bring our square brackets and then we can say for, and we can say, let me repeat again. So to use the list comprehension for this basis list here, we can say we bring our square brackets, two of them. We start and we can say base for base in basis. So this will give us a copy. So this is how we do it. Let's say for numbers, let me use this one here. I'll copy this here. I think this will be a good example. So if let's say I want to get all the items here and then I want to add +1 to each of them, then I can say number +1 for number in numbers. And then I'll execute it. So this will give me what? A new list with whatever I wanted to process or whatever I wanted to get being done for me. The operation would have been done for me. Of course, this operation can also be assigned to a variable. So I can just put everything in. So I can just say results. And then I indicate my operation here. So when I execute it, I can just query for results and then I'll get my outputs. So this is another way to iterate over lists. Okay, and you should also know that list comprehensions are faster than the classical for loop. So if you are dealing with lots of data sets or lots of samples or lots of items, then it's advisable to use a list comprehension because that one is faster than the classical for loop here. So take note of that.